Hi guys, welcome to another video. We're here with Joe, our plumber from Cresco Plumbing and Heating Services. Is that correct?
Yes.
Brilliant. Joe's doing the first fix plumbing here at St James Court for us. Today he's here, first day, they're stripping out the boiler, which was an existing boiler on site, and then they'll be following through with all the first fix partitioning. So Joe, what have you been up to today?
So first thing today is decommission the gas.
Yep.
So I've isolated,
Yep.
decommissioned and purged the gas, and we're just on the strip out now of the existing 150 kilowatt system, which includes basically draining the existing tanks, isolating pipework, removing and making safe.
Yeah.
So we're ready to go on first fix next week.
Brilliant. So that's all those main gas runs are all been made safe, so they can be stripped out now.
Yeah.
Because we're waiting just for that final part to get all that last bit of copper and things out, wasn't it?
That's
the
correct,
steel
yeah.
pipe.
Yeah, most of the steel's out now, most of the copper, tank fed hot and cold are all out. So yeah, making good progress today.
Brilliant. So that'll be out. Our team will start stripping all of that out so that they can have a clear run with all the partitioning, etc. So once this is completed then, Joe, what are you going to move on to next?
So Monday we'll be getting all the bracketry up, all the supports, all the clips, and start to get our primary runs in through the main corridors, and then work on obviously individual apartments then.
Yeah, brilliant.
So it'll be mainly essential heating, hot and cold. They'll follow suit really.
Yes.
And then obviously once we've got the rest of the 4-inch in, we'll start getting the main drainage in as well. Yeah,
brilliant. Okay, yeah. And we had, there's a bit of a design dilemma going on with the gas at the minute, isn't there?
Yes.
We still haven't finalised the gas completely, but just going on that sort of running with that theme, how important is it getting all the designs up front done for people like yourself?
Extremely important. Because of the actual building type and the multiple occupancy, the gas falls under 2 or 3 different regs. So it's a case of making sure we've crossed all of the obviously T's and gone from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, very important, yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then from the plumbing point of view as well, we've been working with the subcontractors again on a sort of design basis before the designs were finalised, and Joe's been really helpful in putting his input in place, because M&E designers, again, they're not always designing the building with a practical, logical installation mind, whereas you guys who do it day in, day out know the best sort of runs and things. Just tell us a little bit about the input you've had with helping the designer understand what to do.
Yeah, so initially we were looking at one main supply, then going into what they'll call like a header, so running supplies to each individual apartment. The issue that we had with that was gas passing through other apartments, and then the issues with the fire stopping and the accessibility of ECVs, AECVs and test points. So yeah, we've had to come up with basically a design which is going to tick all the boxes on that now, which I think we're 90% of the way there now.
I think so, yeah.
It's just a case of making sure we get the right product types and material types, because with this project, because of the pipework sizing, certain sections of it have to be welded, screwed, etc. So it just makes it a little bit more complicated.
Yeah. Interesting, yeah. I mean, Joe's referring to the sort of the incoming services. We've opted to keep just as few services coming into the building as possible, because we'll retain the apartments at the end. So we don't want 12 separate meters coming into the building. We just want one for each service, so that's easily manageable. But it, like Joe says, creates another issue, which is the size of the mains coming in for everything from water to the gas to electric as well. So it's really important to get all of that identified and designed up front, because you can fall foul upon what you're actually required to put in before or when you're on site.
Yeah,
brilliant. So exciting stuff. We've got everyone on site today. We're really powering through. Plumbing's obviously a key integral part to the build, and we've got partitioners, electricians and plumbers on site who will all be working together to help the project keep moving, and we're looking forward to working with you, Joe, and having a smooth transition through to completion.
Likewise. Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, thanks for your time, Joe. It was good to see you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks guys, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.
Cheers, thank you.